What if I told you that making 500 a day doesn't require a degree, special skills, or even money to start? And no, this isn't a scam. By the end of this video, I'll show you exactly how I did it using free tools anyone can access. Your first 500 day could be tomorrow. A year ago, I was broke. I tried every get-rich-quick scheme online and failed. Then I discovered this method. No upfront costs, no experience, just free tools and consistency. Last month, I hit $15,000. Let me break it down for you. You don't need to create anything new. Use free platforms that already have traffic, for example, affiliate marketing. Promote products you already love and earn commissions. I'll link my favorite free affiliate programs below. No design skills? Use Canva to make thumbnails. No video skills? CapCut auto-edits clips. Just share honest reviews or top 10 lists. Here's a template I stole from a $10,000 a month creator.